Today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the fan that's in the Destruct box. First thing you want to do is obviously pull power. Next thing I want to do is disconnect the orange communication cable. We'll pull the ozone tube off the Venturi. Now, depending on the orientation of the vacuum side of the Venturi, you may have to adjust it, but if we swing it away from this fan assembly here, there's one acorn nut that holds that piece on. We can loosen that up. And the wires are in there. We just got to kind of pull it. Not pull it, but work it out till we expose the connections, which are right here. So this is the button connection, 3-wire. This is the fan. So we will disconnect both of those. And here you have the fan. So all you would do from here is take off those 4 nuts, take the fan out, replace it with the right fan, ensuring that your flow is going the right direction. There are arrows. So that flow is going down, should be label side down. You can see a bit of it there. Okay. And then we'll reconnect after we put the new fan in. Reconnect the button. And we're going to feed this through the opening, which is a small square opening just like that. That's what I'm feeding those through. And then I'll put my acorn nut back on, tighten it down, hook up my tubing, communication, and we're good to go. Now, in some cases, there is a Destruct box, a Carry Light cartridge. Looks like this. And that sits inside of this Destruct box. If it falls out, the orientation is flat side to the fan and the smaller slant edge towards the faucet, just like that. Okay. Any other way, you're not going to get the airflow because this is going to block the airflow to where it can't pull the vacuum. So that's the orientation, but they stick in here kind of snug and it's still up there. So make sure your wires are all tucked in. Set it, acorn nut, and put it all back together.